Hello there, welcome back. So this is a video lesson for SP Track 7, which has a course description of footwear and leathercraft merchandising with franchising. I'm your narrator, Virgilio Barcena. So welcome to lesson 2. So we're going to talk about the different types of stores. Here, we will be exploring modern and traditional retail formats. So, are you ready? Let's go. So, what are the different types of stores? Well, the first one, commonly known as a boutique. Okay. This is described as small and specialized store. It focuses on niche market like fashion or handmade goods, and it offers a personalized service. Its image is an upscale fashion boutique. Next, we have the Caravan Store. The Caravan Store is a mobile retail shop often set up in temporary location. This is common in rural or remote areas. This brings the products directly to the consumers. The image would be a van or a truck with goods for sale. So that's the Caravan Store. The next type of store we have the department store. Of course, this is a large retail establishment. It has multiple product categories like clothing, electronics, or home goods. One of these would be Macy's, SM, okay, and Harrods. This is from the United States. So its image is that this is inside of a department store. Another type of store which is booming lately is the online shops. The online shops is an e-commerce platform like Amazon, Lazada, Shopee, Temu, okay? And then it offers convenient 24/7 access and wide selection, okay, of products. And it requires shipping or digital delivery. The image of an online shop is that screenshots of an e-commerce homepage. Another type of store is the tiange or a market stall. Before it is called the flea market style pop-up stalls. Okay, they offer affordable, diverse products. And this is common in the Philippines and similar markets, particularly here in Marikina, uh, Divisoria, and Taytay. Its image is that it's a local tiange with vendors and crowds. And the last type of store is the online marketing. The online marketing promotes product through digital channels like the social media, email, or SEO. It drives traffic to online stores. Example, it uses Facebook ads, it uses influencer and marketing. The image that it would look like, the flowchart of online marketing channel. So those are the different types of stores. So that could be the end of topic for lesson 2. This is for SP Track 7, Footwear and Leathercraft Merchandising and Franchising. I am your narrator, Virgilio Barcena. Thank you.